So as we're talking about the SLA or the SLF, okay, that is a sustainable livelihood factor or the sustainable livelihood approach or framework. Thereby, it helps to understand the livelihood of poor while it throws light on the matters that either propel or constrain development. So what we can conclude, the question that comes to the fore is how far has such implementation of social policies impacted rural development? Now, governments also play an important role in funding and channelizing resources appropriately. Now, massive drives on educating the people in rural regions remain an imperative factor to achieve the unresolved goal of rural development in every part of the globe. Therefore, the question, will it ever be resolved? So this will continue to be a matter of debate until it is categorically achieved. Ahmed Salah, are you there still? Yes. You can unmute your mic. And Nadifo?
Present, teacher.
Okay. Okay, Ahmed and Nadifo. Adan was here earlier and Abdullah Ahmed was there, right? So 4 of you. Okay, so now regarding the assignment, you can send it to hnewtonmartin@gmail.com. And the time for you, of course, the submission time, it closes at 11:30 p.m. today, that is today, 11:30, 14th of February. And just submit your assignments, and that is, very crucial for you to pass your exam and in fact pass this subject. So because that carries substantial marks. So I'd encourage all of you, please pass this information to your friends to submit it by tonight. So thank you. You have any questions? Okay.
Thank you, teacher. No.
Okay. So you're welcome. So I think we wind up. So see you next class. Next class. Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.